immerse yourself in the captivating charm of Denmark, a country rich in history and brimming with enchanting landscapes. Nestled in the heart of Scandinavia, this small yet mighty nation beckons the curious and the adventurous, offering a blend of modern sophistication and rustic charm that is uniquely Danish. Denmark is a potpourri of bustling cities and tranquil countryside, each with their own unique allure. From the cosmopolitan streets of Copenhagen, where contemporary design meets timeless tradition, to the rolling hills and serene beaches that dot the Danish landscape, there's a slice of Denmark that caters to every taste. But Denmark is more than just a pretty face. It's a country steeped in history, a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of its people. The Danes, as they are known, have a rich cultural heritage that dates back to the Vikings. This proud legacy is evident in the country's many museums, historic landmarks, and architectural wonders, all of which serve as reminders of Denmark's storied past. Take a stroll through the ancient streets of Aarhus, where cobblestone lanes tell tales of centuries past, or venture to the charming city of Odense, birthplace of famed fairy tale author Hans Christian Andersen. From its medieval castles to its modernist marvels, Denmark is a place where the old and the new coexist in perfect harmony. As a travel destination, Denmark offers a wealth of experiences. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, a foodie, or just someone looking for a change of scenery, Denmark has something for you. Its diverse attractions and warm, welcoming people make it a must-visit for those seeking an authentic Scandinavian experience. So, pack your bags and dust off your passports. From its vibrant cities to its peaceful countryside, from its historic landmarks to its modern wonders, Denmark is a country that beckons to be explored. And the best part? You don't have to go it alone. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Join us as we explore the best places to visit in this Scandinavian gem. First on our list is the vibrant and cosmopolitan capital city, Copenhagen. Steeped in history and brimming with culture, Copenhagen stands as a testament to the Danish monarchy's rich past. This city, once a humble fishing village in the 10th century, now thrives as the heart of Denmark and is a hub for both the old and the new. At the center of it all is the majestic Amalienborg Palace, the home of the Danish royal family. The palace, with its 4 identical Rococo buildings, stands as an epitome of royal elegance and a symbol of the city's strong connection with its monarchy. For those seeking a dash of whimsy, the Tivoli Gardens, one of the world's oldest operating amusement parks, offers a delightful escapade. From thrilling roller coasters to serene boat rides, Tivoli Gardens is a world of wonder that captivates the hearts of both the young and the young at heart. And let's not forget the Little Mermaid statue, an iconic symbol of Copenhagen. Inspired by Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tale, this statue has been drawing visitors from around the globe since 1913, sitting gracefully at the Langelinie Promenade. Then we have Nyhavn, the picturesque waterfront district. With its colorful 17th century townhouses and historic tall ships, Nyhavn is a postcard-perfect site that encapsulates the charm of Copenhagen. Whether you're savoring a meal at a quayside cafe or simply strolling along the canal, Nyhavn is an experience that shouldn't be missed. But Copenhagen isn't just about history and fairy tales. This city is also a playground for modern architecture enthusiasts, boasting structures like the wave-like Blue Planet Aquarium and the spiraling Freetown Christiania, a testament to the city's innovative spirit. Copenhagen is a city where the past and the present beautifully coexist. It's a place where historic castles stand proudly amid cutting-edge buildings, where traditional Danish cuisine can be enjoyed in sleek modern restaurants, and where centuries-old traditions blend seamlessly with contemporary Danish design. From its colorful waterfront to its historic castles, Copenhagen offers a unique blend of the old and new that is truly mesmerizing. Next, we journey to Aarhus, a city that beautifully encapsulates Denmark's past. Aarhus, the second largest city in Denmark, wears its history on its sleeve. Rooted in the Viking Age, this city's story begins over 1,000 years ago, as a fortified settlement bustling with trade, culture, and power. Aarhus's deep-rooted history is still palpable today, from its winding cobblestone streets to the well-preserved, half-timbered houses that add a quaint charm to the cityscape. One of Aarhus's standout attractions is Den Gammelby, or the Old Town. Walking through its streets is like stepping back in time. The open-air museum, home to over 75 historical buildings relocated from all over Denmark, brings the past to life. From the baker's house to the merchant's mansion, each structure has its own story, offering a tangible sense of Denmark's past. But Aarhus isn't just about the past. It's also a city of culture and vibrancy. The Aarhus Art Museum is a testament to this. Known for its iconic rainbow panorama, this museum is a beacon of contemporary art that serves as a creative playground for artists from across the globe. It's an immersive experience that blends art, architecture, and stunning views, symbolizing the city's commitment to creativity and innovation. Aarhus also boasts a lively food scene, a thriving music culture, and plenty of green spaces, making it a city that caters to all tastes. The juxtaposition of old and new, history and innovation, gives Aarhus a unique character that's both intriguing and inviting. Why visit Aarhus? Because it's a city where history meets modernity, where culture thrives, and where every corner holds a story. It's a place that offers a glimpse into Denmark's past, while also showcasing its vibrant present. It's a city that's proud of its heritage, yet not afraid to embrace change. With its rich history and thriving art scene, Aarhus is a city that will captivate any traveler's heart. Our journey continues to Odense, a city that brings fairy tales to life. Nestled in the heart of Denmark, Odense is the birthplace of the world-renowned author, Hans Christian Andersen. His stories have enchanted hearts across the globe, and here in Odense, you can step right into these tales and experience the magic firsthand. Odense embodies a unique blend of the old and the new. The city's charming cobblestone streets and quaint, half-timbered houses transport you back in time, while the vibrant culture and bustling city life keep you firmly anchored in the present. It's a city that effortlessly marries history with the modern world. One of the must-visit attractions in Odense is the Hans Christian Andersen Museum. Here, you can immerse yourself in the imaginative world of Andersen, exploring his life, his inspirations, and his timeless stories. From The Ugly Duckling to The Little Mermaid, Andersen's fairy tales come alive in this remarkable museum, making it a truly enchanting experience. But the magic of Odense doesn't stop there. The city is also home to the Odense Zoo, one of the oldest zoos in Europe. With over 2,000 animals from all corners of the world, it's an adventure in itself. Whether you're a fan of the exotic or the endangered, the Odense Zoo offers a fascinating glimpse into the world of wildlife. And let's not forget the city's vibrant festivals. From the summer's Hans Christian Andersen Festival, filled with theatrical performances and parades, to the winter's cozy Christmas market, Odense is a city that knows how to celebrate. Odense invites you to lose yourself in its charming streets, to marvel at its rich history, and to be enchanted by its fairy tale-like atmosphere. It's a city that captures the essence of Denmark, a place where history, culture, and imagination intertwine to create a captivating narrative. In Odense, the magic of fairy tales and the charm of Danish culture come together in a captivating symphony. As our journey across Denmark draws to a close, it's clear that this country has much to offer. We've seen the charming cityscapes, stood in awe of the historic landmarks, and immersed ourselves in the rich culture and traditions of the Danes. Starting in the vibrant city of Copenhagen, we discovered a bustling metropolis steeped in history. The Royal Palace and the enchanting Tivoli Gardens are but a few of the city's highlights. Yet, Copenhagen is more than just its landmarks. It's a city that pulses with life, where modernity and history exist side by side, creating an ambiance that's uniquely Danish. Then, we ventured into the historic city of Aarhus, a place where the past and present converge. The city's old town, Den Gammelby, took us back in time, offering a glimpse into Denmark's past. But Aarhus is not stuck in time. The city is also home to an array of contemporary attractions, including the cutting-edge Aarhus Art Museum, painting a picture of a city that embraces both its history and its future. Our journey then led us to the charming city of Odense, the birthplace of Hans Christian Andersen. Here, fairy tales come to life as you stroll down the cobblestone streets or visit the writer's childhood home. Odense is a city that celebrates creativity, a place where you can let your imagination run wild. And throughout our journey, we experienced the welcoming nature of the Danish people. They've shared with us their traditions, their food, and their stories, making us feel a part of their community. From its bustling cities to its tranquil countryside, Denmark offers an enriching journey through history, culture, and stunning landscapes that will leave any traveler longing for more. So until next time, farvel or goodbye, and may your own journey be as unforgettable as ours has been.